Hello, hello, HillCo Nation. Good to see you. Good to see you. Today is Wednesday, and it is the May the 8th. Happy May 8th, everybody. We are here in East Memphis, and today we gave our house back, my house back to the rightful owners, and they are inside. So we are walking in the house. Here are Ginger and Marianne. Marianne. Here is their kitchen. Look at this. Holy cow. Samantha, hey. And everybody loves Micah. Micah's outside. Everybody loves Micah. Tracy, the designer.
Hello.
And anyway, so here it is. This is man, this sucker's so pretty. I may move in over here. Walk back here, go into their laundry room. How cute is that? Walk into their bedroom. Got a nice feature wall. Custom closets. We built them from scratch. Got their own dresser, shoe rack, and then go into here. Holy cow, look at this bathroom. This is, let me turn the light on. Holy cow, look at that. Man, this is fantastic. And we're gonna go back around here. This little room used to be outside. And now it is her office. She got a little catch-all. And we go back into where they were. Come through the kitchen. And we go back in here to the last little area where their 2 bedrooms are, and we finished their other bathroom. Anyways, we had a great time doing this, and we want to say thank y'all. We love you. Catch you on the next one.